Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the About section on your Facebook page or personal profile. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Facebook. On the top right hand side we will find our profile picture and then our profile picture and name. We're going to click on this and we're looking for About. Alright, so once we click on About, you can see we have Overview, Work and Education, all of these sections over here. And these are all the sections that will be visible to the public, or however we set per section. So once we are in here, we can actually go to the right-hand side. These are the sections within this section. We can go and click on the three dots and click on Edit Workplace. We can click on Edit School, University. We can edit this on the right hand side. Let's go to Work and Education. We can go again, click on the three dots and edit. Places that we've lived, we can go and click on the three dots and edit that. As you go down, you can go and edit every single section over here. And that's how you can edit your About section on Facebook.